Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Victoria Lee here, and today we are back with another video. First of all, it's been a minute, so hi everyone and happy holiday season. I'm wearing my little Mickey sweatshirt today with the Santa hat on because I'm really feeling the holiday vibes. For today's video, I'm really excited because a company called melodysusie reached out to me and sent me one of their hair products. So I'm gonna cut the chatter. As you can see, my hair is wet. I never really turn on a video with my hair wet, but that might give you a little hint as to what the product is. So let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so the product that melodysusie sent me is a hair dryer. Yes, wet hair dryer. Let's go through the product because I honestly have not opened it yet. It's just been sitting in my room. I've been so busy with so much going on. So let's unpack this and see what type of hair dryer or what's special about this. This is what the box looks like. And on the front cover, it says some of the details about the product. Lightweight and stylish design. It says high-speed brushless motor, automatic security protection and leakage protection plug, fast drying, low noise, and double filter. So that's a lot of things, a lot of claims. Some of those things, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't really know what they're supposed to mean, but I guess we're going to find out. All right, so I got the box open. They asked me what color I wanted, and of course I had to go with the rose gold because obviously pink, love everything pink. They sent me a little card. It just says best wishes, which was cute. We have the hair dryer. It's nicely wrapped. I know they sent this to me from Amazon because you can get this product on Amazon. So I will definitely link everything in the description below, and then I'll tell you a few other discounts and stuff that you can use at the end of the video. As you can see, this looks like the on and off switch, and then, we're gonna have to read to see what this means. We have the power switch, okay, and then this, the one that's windy, this is a wind speed adjustment. I guess this adjustment just shows how high you're going to be blow drying your hair. Are you gonna have it on low, medium, or high? Okay, it says this hair dryer has a unique design and the wind speed can be adjusted by sliding the roller to achieve unlimited speed change. Cool, okay. We have made a breakthrough by placing a powerful motor inside the muffler of the hair dryer handle for the quieter operation. Use low speed for styling and high speed for drying. Okay, so we are going to be drying today, so I'm going to use high speed, and I have really thick hair, so that definitely is what's going to work for me. So let's go through this one time. We have the power switch on and off. We have the wind speed adjustment, and then on the other side right here, we have the heat switch. So this is the heat. There's going to be an indicator light that lets me know about the heat. So I guess we'll look at that. It looks like when it's normal temperature, it's going to show blue. When it's medium temperature, it's going to show yellow. And when it's high temperature, it's going to show red. So we're definitely going to unpack this. Honestly, I'm ready to get started. I just need to do a few things. It does come with one of these little guys to put on it, and I am going to put this on. I think you just screw it right in. I do remember my hairdresser telling me years ago that it's really important to use these attachments when they come with your hair dryer because it makes sure that you're really drying the root. Sometimes you might leave the root a little wet and then use heat on it, and it's not good for your hair. Before I start, I definitely want to put some products in my wet hair. First, I'm going to use the Olaplex number 9. This is just a bond protection. It's like a nourishing hair serum. So I just put a few pumps in my hair. I use the number 6 bond smoother, and what we call it is the little cocktail, number 6 with a few drops of the number 7, the bonding oil, and just mix those together. I make sure that it's in through my ends, which are a little drier, and I just brush it through. I should probably be using a heat protectant. I have to get one still. I think I'm going to get the Amica one. Somebody recommended that to me in my comments. So again, if you have any more suggestions, let me know for a heat protectant. I'm just going to take my comb, and I like to brush the product in just to make sure it's in my hair nice and evenly. So I'm going to be honest, I don't usually use a blow dryer anymore these days. I used to back in the day all the time when I was straightening my hair every day. The way I blow dry my hair is just through the blow dry brush because it does it all in one. I don't have to do anything after. I'm happy that now I actually own a blow dryer, and for the purpose of today's video, I will be blow drying my hair and then I'm actually going to straighten it afterwards, which is something I haven't done in years. So warning, when I blow dry my hair, it does get very puffy when it's dry. That's just how my natural hair looks. So it doesn't really have to do with this. It's just how my hair blow dries. I got this all plugged in. Now let's see how it works. I turn it on. Oh, it's definitely very low sounding. It's definitely not on a high setting. So I'm gonna crank it up. I cranked it all the way up. It has a really nice strong air to it once you crank it all the way up. But now I'm going to do the heat. So remember the colors. Blue is cool, yellow is medium, and the red is going to mean high. I'm gonna put it all the way high just for the purpose of my hair and that I'm not styling my hair. I'm just drying my hair. So now I will officially start the timer and we will see how long this takes me to completely dry my hair. Okay, so clearly this bad boy is very strong because I just blew a fuse. Thing is strong. I'm a little nervous to put it back on. I stopped the timer. My hair is more than halfway dry right now, and it's been 2 minutes and 47 seconds, and I stopped it right away the second that there was a fuse blown, and then I had to figure out how to turn the lights back on in my house because I'm home alone. I'm gonna try to do it again for another like hopefully 5 minutes. I don't even think it'll take that long because it's almost completely dry. Maybe I'm gonna put the power down just a little bit because I really don't want to blow a fuse right now. I'm gonna lower this, and if I blow a fuse again, I know how to get it back on. So hopefully I can get through this video without blowing a fuse again. Okay guys, it has been exactly, let me see, I just stopped it. Hair is completely dry. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts in a moment. I'm just gonna go straighten my hair now because it's looking very haggardy, and then I'll be back to tell you my final thoughts of this hair dryer. All right guys, I am back, and I just went in with my straightener. I used the GHD straightener, and I straightened it and then put some little waves in it to give it a little something. But I wanted to just give you my final thoughts about this hair dryer. So the melodysusie, I really liked it, honestly. Like I said in the beginning, I don't really use a hair dryer by itself anymore. I just use a hair dryer brush because it does everything in one step for me. But as far as hair dryers go, it worked really well. It took me 6 minutes to dry my entire hair. My hair was fairly wet, and I have thick hair. And also, I wanted to mention how lightweight it is. Definitely one of the lightest weight dryers I have ever felt, especially compared to my blow dryer brush. The Shark one that I use every single day is really heavy, and this is extremely light. It's very powerful. As you know, it blew a fuse in my house and I had nothing else plugged in, so it was solely this guy right here. It's cute and small. It doesn't take up too much space. It has nice cord length. It's light. It has all those different options. It has technology that I've honestly never seen before. The on off, up and down with the power, and then the 3 different heat settings. So honestly, I think it's very tech savvy, very sleek, and I did like it. A big thanks to melodysusie for sending this product to me. I had a lot of fun trying it out, and you know I love doing reviews. Reviews are my favorite thing ever because I get to give you my honest opinion and try new products. Who doesn't love to try a new beauty product? I will have 2 links in my bio on how to get the melodysusie. I will give you the Amazon link if you want to buy it from Amazon, and then I will also have the official melodysusie website. Additionally, if you did want to purchase one, you can use the code FLASH50 for 50% off your dryer, which is a really good price. I think this goes for 100 and something. So 50% off would be a huge discount for you. All right, and that is the review. Thank you everyone for watching. We are way over 1,000 subscribers right now, so I'm so excited to dive into this holiday season and a new year, and to definitely try new beauty products, do some check-ins, some life updates, and I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday season. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.